Happy Monday, everybody. And today we are going to be starting a brand new math journal. We have a March math journal that we're going to be using. And we're also going to be getting out this for practicing writing our numbers. So you'll need to get out this, your journal, a marker, a dry erase marker, and maybe a Kleenex or an old rag, something you can use to erase, and a pencil. And then I think we'll get all ready for today's work. We're starting on page 1 down here in the Clover. It says number 1, and the instructions are to write the missing number in each number bond. And number bonds are just how numbers relate to each other. Now what we're going to do is, here's the number 9. We need to find out what number goes with 6 to make 9. So I'm going to just use a method called counting on. So if I already have 6, I'm going to keep 6 in my head, and I'm going to keep counting, and I'm going to keep track with my fingers until I get to 9. So I have 6 already. Now I'm going to do 7, 8, 9. So how many did it take me to get to 9? 3. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. All right, let's go to this one. Oh, this one's a tough one. Look at it. It's a 1 and a 13, but they want to know what that adds up to, what the big number is. So if I have 13 and I add one more to it, so it's just like I'm counting and counting on one more, it goes 12, 13, 14. So 14 is equal to 1 plus 13. Let's do this one. They're looking for the big number right here too. So I'm going to use my counting on method. I'm going to start with 7 in my head. 7's in my head, and I need to count on 5 more, okay? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when I counted up 5 more, I got to 12. All right, this one. Well, oh, wow, how is this going to work? 2, and then that's a 9. That's not going to work. I think this one's a mistake. We're going to put an X through this one. Right here, this says 12, and we need to find out what number plus 8 equals 12. So if we have 12 here and we have 8 here, I'm going to put 8 in my head, and I'm going to count on my fingers until I get to 12, okay? So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it took me 4 more until I got to 12. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. This one says 0 plus some number equals 4. I know that anytime you add 0 to something, there's nothing there. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. Okay, now this we need to come up with a big number, okay? We need to know what 6 plus 4 is. So let's start with 6 in our head and count on 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. This one over here is 11 and 2. So this is another one. I'm going to put that 11 number in my head, and then I'm going to count on 2 more. So 11, 12, 13. All right. Oh, this one's pretty easy because we know our doubles facts. We know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. Oh, another counting on. If we have 10 right here and 3 right here, we need to know what it adds up to. So let's put 10 in our head and count on 3 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13. And the last one, oh, we should know this one too. I don't know what they want me to do here. I don't think that this is right either. We're going to cross that one out too. All right, so we have 2 that we crossed out. Okay, boys and girls? So remember to cross these 2 out. And then we're going to go to, oh, my favorite, we're going to make some tally marks. It says show each number with tally marks, my favorite. Remember, we have to group them in groups of 5. So here's 14. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 14. Let's do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 18. Oh, a big number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So see, we can count by fives. 5, 10, 15, plus our ones, 16, 17, 18. Here's the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And an easy peasy one, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're done with our journal for today. We'll close that up. And now I'm going to go and get my paper that looks like this. Remember, it's inside of the plastic sleeve so that we can write on it with our marker. And we're just going to practice. And if you don't, I want you to go as far as you can without getting upset, but we need to practice. And if you notice, if you open up inside in the middle, it's kind of hard to pull out sometimes. Ask mom and dad if you need help. But right in the middle, there is a number chart all filled in for you. See that? So that's in the middle of your packet. So put that back in. Now you can use your number chart to help you fill in your numbers, okay? So on this page with the apple on it, this one goes from 1 to 50. So we're just going to start. Let me go turn my light on real quick. We're just going to start by right at the beginning, starting with 1. And everybody should know how to write to 10 with no problems, right? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got to 10. Everybody should know how to do that right now. Now, if you get stuck and you don't know what's after 10, you can look at your number chart, find the row, and here it is. Starts with 11. So underneath your 1, you're going to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's see if we can go up to 30 today. So we're at 20. Now we're going to go to 21 over here. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, I know you're not going to be able to do this as fast as I can. That's why we are practicing, because when we come back to school, I want you guys all to be able to write your numbers, okay? So every day we're going to practice that. And then when you get done, remember I said you can get a little eraser, you can get a tissue, and you just wipe it off when you're done. So we'll be practicing this every day. And you are not going to be turning these in. These are for you to practice on. So when you get done, you're just going to take the hundreds chart and just put it back inside so you don't lose it, okay? So just stick it back inside. All right, boys and girls, we're going to be done with that for today. And everybody, get ready for your next lesson.